No, let's go get it. I was teasing Spear with it this morning. He's not interested.
Yeah, he is. Harvey, Harvey, look.
Squeak it.
What is it?
Does he tear into presents? He doesn't unwrap it himself?
Oh, how cute.
It's still got a tag on it.
It does, okay.
Yum yum.
See how he's gonna.
He said that I didn't even have to kill it.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Didn't take long to figure out.
I give that 5 minutes.
I need to take a video of that.
He's not done. Harvey, Harvey. Let go. Wait, wait, wait,
He's gonna tear the legs off.
wait.
What is it? Is it a bear or
It's
something?
a gorilla, isn't it? A monkey. It's got the hanger on it. Doesn't it have a
Does
hanger
it
on
have
it?
a hanger on it,
Yeah.
or did I get it off?
No, the hanger's on the top, the head.
Oh, well, this is like sewn in.
Oh, okay. I thought it was the hanger.
Yeah, he likes that. Very good. Very good. He loves the real furry stuff, the furry ones, but they don't last very long. That's the only problem.
So it isn't that nice.
But I hear that they make some where they have a Velcro flap so you can get to the squeakers.